Hi, I'm Ethos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to correct your sleep schedule instantly. And when I say instantly, I mean instantly. No staying up for 24 hours, no more wanting to kill yourself, and no weird sleep routines or eating habits that you're going to have to change. And I've actually seen 0 videos showcasing this method, which is really weird because it is like an instant solution to a really common problem. And no matter how fucked up your sleep schedule is, it'll work 100%, trust me. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you're gonna need a computer. Laptop will work, smartphone will work, I guess. iPad, if you're into that kind of thing. If you have a tablet, fuck you. Here's some pictures of dogs. So you're probably wondering, what are you doing on your laptop right now? Well, I told you. This is how you fix your sleep schedule instantly. This isn't some weird sleeping habit thing, alright? No staying up for more than 20 hours, no forcing yourself to take naps or melatonin or some shit like that. That's also just stupid. I really have no idea why no one's done a video on this yet, but I guess I'll be the first. So, what you want to do on your computer is look up, that's fucking dogs. World clock. Oh shit. Tapping with one hand is making it really hard. That sounds even worse. Why is it still on dogs? Oh, we go to all. And you can go here to the first one. And so I can guarantee you that this 100% works no matter how fucked up your sleep schedule is. My sleep schedule is almost completely 100% shifted because I actually just woke up and it is 7:06 p.m. in Boston. And this has been happening for a few days now. I'll wake up from anywhere between 6 to 10 p.m. and I would be staying up through the entire night and then going to sleep around 10 to 11 a.m. which is really bad because all the stores are usually closed, it's hard to get food. I'm asleep when all my friends are awake and it's just awful. So, quick fix, you go to the World Clock Worldwide, look up your current place of interest. So I look up Boston, Massachusetts, and it is, see, 1907, so that's 7:07 p.m. Now, if you really just want to fix it instantly, all you gotta do is go back and then scroll down and look for a time that is actually a normal time to be waking up. If you look here at Beijing, it is currently 7:08 in the morning. So all you gotta do, click on Beijing and boom, you have it, you're 90% there. You found the time zone that you are waking up currently at. This is what your body is currently accustomed to. Your sleep schedule is in tune with this time zone. So why does this matter? Well, all you have to do is move there. And that's exactly what I did. So I'm currently in China. And as you can tell, it is 7:09 a.m. I'm waking up at a normal time now. I did not have to stay up for more than 20 hours. I didn't have to stay up extra at all. All I had to do was just move countries. And I had the worst sleep schedule possible. I was 12 hours offset from my time zone, so all I did was go to a different time zone that was 12 hours ahead. Now, some of the cons are, if you're not fluent in Mandarin, it might be a little difficult to live here, but I mean, there are plenty of other options. If your sleep schedule is as fucked up as mine, there's, Hong Kong. Wait, that's also China. There's Singapore. I don't know what they speak there. There's Seoul in Korea, I think. They speak Korean there. There's Tokyo in Japan. You know, there's a bunch of other places. So as long as you're fluent in one of these languages, you'll be fine. Also, some of you guys might be worried about the flight. Have no worries at all because if you book a flight now, you can use code SOAR at checkout for the opportunity to go through security with your shoes on. I guarantee if you book a flight right now and use code SOAR, no shoes are going to be coming off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. There are plenty of pros that outweigh the cons. No staying up excessively, no eating weird melatonin gummies or pills. It happens instantly. There's no wait at all. So if your sleep schedule is fucked up, no matter how fucked up, if it's a little, if it's a lot, just find the place where your sleep schedule isn't fucked up. The world is a 24-hour flat plane, so there'll always be a place for you and your fucked up sleep schedule. So if you like this tutorial and want tutorials more like this, remember to like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to me. And then go to this Twitter, this is my Twitter, and tweet me other questions if you have them, or you could leave me the fuck alone, either one. But yeah, see you later. I've been Ethos. You guys have been you guys, and yeah, I'm signing off.